how I keep this cilantro fresh in the fridge for up to a week. Hey, I'm Laura, and on this channel, I make lots of how to cook videos like this one and recipes that my family enjoys. I usually buy 2 bunches a week or so, and the tips in this video is how I keep them fresh for up to a week. First things first, you want to wash your cilantro when you get home because the leaves are actually pretty dirty. So I do this in the sink. You can spray it under some running water, or the way I like to do it is by filling a bowl with a lot of water, and then I hold my cilantro bunch in my hand and I swish it all around. This helps release the dirt from the water, and I just simply shake off any excess water left. And now that I have a clean and washed cilantro bunch, I usually remove any yellow or brown leaves that are already wilted so the rest of my bunch stays fresh. I'm also going to lightly trim the base of my cilantro bunch just so it's all one size and it fits in my storage container. So the way I store cilantro in the refrigerator is in an old jelly jar or a mason jar, or even one of these Pyrex measuring cups filled with a little water. I do keep the twist tie in place. It just helps my cilantro stand up. You can remove it if you like. Then I fill my jar with about 1.5 to 2 inches of cold water. You don't want to use warm water, you want nice and fresh. And this water you'll need to change every 2 to 3 days when it starts to look a little yellowed or brown. So this right here is my bouquet of cilantro. If you put this in the refrigerator, your cilantro is going to wilt really quickly. So I just use the same produce bag and wrap my cilantro in it to protect it from the chill in the refrigerator. Just like this, it goes in my fridge and it's ready to be used in all my recipes. Like I told you before, the water will start turning a little yellow every couple of days, and in that case, you want to drain that yellowed water out and fill it with new and fresh water. You'll cover the cilantro again with the produce bag and put it back in the fridge and keep using it. And that's how I keep cilantro fresh in the fridge all week long, so I can make things like cilantro lime rice, enchiladas, tacos, and so much more. Check the description box for the links. See you guys next time.